18 years ago, really, 18 years and some change, I was an assistant district attorney general. And I thought I was going to become a career prosecutor and prosecute cases for the state of Tennessee or for the United States of America for the rest of my legal career. And then a funny thing happened on the way to the opera. I got arrested myself. I got arrested for what was really something that I did not perceive as my own fault. A disagreement between me and a police officer. Now, I will tell you that I think that every assistant district attorney general ought to get arrested at some point in their life. Because one thing's for sure, it made me a more compassionate person. It made me a more understanding person. And it made me the sort of lawyer who became impassioned to fight for the rights of those who have been accused of wrongdoing. I think it's true that most of the lawyers who work in this office come from a working class background. And I'm not the least bit ashamed of that. I'll tell you something else too. Without the love of my high school friends, my church youth group, and the United States Navy, I wouldn't be here today. Very often we have young people who come into our office, and you got a real opportunity with a young person to show them through the experience that they're going through the government accusing them of some wrongdoing. You have an opportunity to take that moment and use that as an opportunity to salvage some young citizen's life so that he can grow into an older citizen, so that he can grow into the future lawyer, so that he can grow into the future judge, so that he can grow into the future police officer, doctor, dentist, so that he can be the future husband in our community who is not tainted with the stain of the humiliation of a criminal conviction. I'd like to think that we all here share that sense of mission, that we bring to every moment, to every client, every day, as exhausting as it is, the desire to work harder and harder each day to help salvage someone's name, someone's reputation, someone's life, someone's freedom, and put them back on the path of becoming a good citizen. I'd like to think that each person in this firm wakes up every day with a burning desire to accomplish that. I know I do, and I know that the lawyers in this law firm do too.